DMCC has developed an energy management system. In simple terms, it provides an overview and analysis of energy consumption and monitors all energy usage. It will send an alert when an anomaly occurs, and you can use a monthly report for integration. It also provides chart visualization and accumulation based on yearly and even historical data. It can organize this by monthly. Since we commenced this in 2025, we are able to ascertain the approximate percentage of growth, thereby allowing us to integrate robust traceability functionalities within the system.
In terms of energy, it offers about 15 to 25% more energy saving than a traditional hot air dryer, and it can shorten the time by about 30 to 45%. Or even more, a primary distinction from earlier equipment is that our device integrates recipe management. Traditionally, we would rely on manual experience to modify parameters, which frequently led to incompatible settings and, as a result, uneven drying of the plastic material. Our recipe management system conversely enables you to input your existing parameters and subsequently weed. It can also automatically provide the most optimal drying parameters through a sophisticated calculation formula. This significantly enhances the efficiency of our material drying processes and also makes it considerably more energy saving. The most significant difference is this. In the past, traditional hot air drying methods would typically utilize hot air, completely filling the entire barrel with heated air, which then air and then conducting heat from outside in. That's quite energy intensive.
Heater.
Yes, it's quite energy intensive. But with our electromagnetic dryer, we employ electromagnetic waves that penetrate the plastic pellets from their core. Then, through rolling friction, the moisture is directly expelled. This is currently recognized as the industry's most effective drying method, also boasting the shortest duration and the lowest energy consumption for drying equipment. This is an industry-leading real-time flow module, on par with those from major international manufacturers. It's equipped with a 9-in-9 out flow design, and its primary function is to resolve the uneven temperature problem in traditional molds. Through our 9-in-9 out design, it enables the mold to achieve rapid temperature equalization. Furthermore, we've integrated an AI control panel that offers real-time monitoring. It monitors the flow rate, flow volume, and temperature of all 9 flow channels, providing anomaly warnings and anomaly detection. We can offer the industry's fastest temperature uniformity equipment for molds.
DMC offers what's known as AOI defect detection. What you're seeing on the equipment now is the defect inspection process in action. We're helping a client detect issues like scratches on materials, foreign objects, and discoloration. The screen display shows what has been detected by the model so far. Now it will use red dots will highlight to the client the location of defects, assisting them in their management and maintenance policies. Moreover, a key advantage of this equipment is its impressive high-speed operation, covering 20 meters in merely 5 seconds, achieving its maximum range. This also applies to clients involved in inspection and investigation, or indeed any clients who have such requirements. They can all utilize our system and products.
Right, I work with tool machines.
Precisely. We frequently handle large workpieces, for instance, the base of a tool machine. During the assembly process, you can indeed encounter assembly deformation issues. People often report that after carefully setting everything up, they discover assembly becomes challenging. This is precisely because over an extended period, the dimensions can undergo some deformation. Therefore, some will opt to employ this kind of technology too, to aid them in managing the internal stress. The conventional stress relief method typically requires as much as 8 hours. However, by utilizing our vibration stress relief equipment, you only need 30 minutes to effectively eliminate 40% of the stress. Indeed, it's achievable.